Hello students, I hope you all would be fine. Today we will be starting a new lesson, that is subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement is what? As the subject is there, accordingly the verb will also be there. If subject is singular, the verb will also be singular. Subject is plural, the verb will also be plural. This is called subject verb agreement. जैसा subject होगा, accordingly the verb will be there. Suppose that Rita is a good girl. Now here Rita is a singular person, singular noun. Now that is why we have used the verb here is, because is also a singular verb. is हमेशा singular verb के singular things के लिए आता है, क्योंकि Rita is singular, that is why we have used here is. Now again if I say Rita and Meena are good girls. Now here two girls are there, Rita and Meena. Singular. This is not singular, this is plural. More than one person. Rita and Meena. So that is why we have not used here is, we are using here are. So according to the subject, the verb is used. If the verb is singular, the noun is singular, subject is singular, the verb will be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb will also be plural. This is the basic thing. Now this I have written here. If noun pronoun is singular, the verb will be singular. If noun pronoun is plural, the verb will be plural. This is the basic thing. And the other thing is that where we use singular words, singular noun, s or es will be added in the verb if it is a finite verb. Is, अब यहाँ पर is है, इसमें तो yes या es नहीं जुड़ेगा. But if it is a finite verb, then we will use add yes or es when it is singular, and we will not use yes or es when it is plural. But इसमें भी कुछ some exceptions are there. Suppose that here I is a singular person. First person, second person we all know ना. First person जहाँ पर केवल अपने बारे में बात की जाए, I, my, me, our, these are first person. Second person जहाँ पर when we talk to the person who is in front, जब हम सामने वाले से बात करें, you, your, yourself, yours, this type of persons are called second person. और third person is what? When two persons are talking about any third person. जब दो लोग किसी तीसरे व्यक्ति के बारे में बात करें, suppose that he is a good girl, she is a hard working girl, or they are studying for 2 hours. So when two persons are talking about any third person, that is called third person. So when we talk about these three persons, we will talk, then again we have to talk about them as different things, singular and plural. So when we talk about singular, we use yes or es, and when we talk about plural, we do not use yes or es. But there are also some exception is there. Suppose that I is a singular thing in first person, singular word, but here we are not using yes. We are not saying I studies for 2 hours. Why? Because this is the rule that although I is a singular, but we will use it as a plural. I study for 2 hours. ये I singular है, but we have used the verb here as a plural verb, because this is the rule. This is the rule of English grammar. Although it is a singular verb, but we have used the singular noun, but we have used it as a plural. The verb is plural. And if I am using with, it is using with am, it is used with am, then there is no problem. I am studying, then am is the singular one. But if it is used as a present indefinite, then it will be s or yes will not be used. Again, plural. We are studying. We is the plural thing and are. We is the plural thing. Accordingly, we have used the verb plural. We are studying. And here you see, we study. We is the plural, and I am according to the rule. जहाँ plural होगा वहाँ yes या es नहीं यूज होगा. यहाँ हमने देखे yes या es नहीं यूज किया है. We study. According to this rule, we have used here only study, not studies, isn't it? So this is the rule that according to the rule we will not use yes or yes. Similarly, in the second person, जहाँ हम you की बात करते हैं, you में भी we do not use the word yes or yes. Although you जो है singular भी क्यों ना हो, जैसे हम सामने वाले से कहें you go, हम ये नहीं कहेंगे you goes, क्योंकि according to the rule s या yes लगना चाहिए singular के साथ. We should add yes or yes according to the rule. So according to this rule we have to use you studies for 2 hours. But no, this is the rule that I में और you में, दोनों में we do not use yes or yes. You study for 2 hours. Or if it is in continuous, then we can say you are studying or you are studying for 2 hours. And here you all, यहाँ पर मतलब you all का मतलब कई लोग हो गया, plural हो गया. We have used here study. According to this rule, we have not used s or yes because this you all is the plural word. You study for 2 hours. And the third person is that he, she, हमने बताया she studies for 2 hours. अब according to this rule, singular जहाँ होगा वहाँ yes या yes जुड़ेगा. तो ये she है, she is the singular thing, singular noun, and we have added here es. She studies for 2 hours. He goes for morning walk. तो वहाँ पर जहाँ थर्ड पर्सन की बात होगी ज़्यादातर उसी में यस या यस सिंगुलर में जुड़ता है. शी स्टडीज़ फॉर 2 आवर्स, ही गोज़ फॉर मॉर्निंग वॉक. और अगर हम किसी इस तरीके की बात करें, किसी चीज़ को इंडिकेट करते हुए दिस क्लास इज डेडिकेटेड, तो यहाँ पर दिस इज द सिंगुलर. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सब्जेक्ट वी हैव यूज्ड हियर इज. एंड इसी तरह से जब हम प्लूरल की बात करेंगे तो दे इज द थर्ड पर्सन एंड दिस इज द प्लूरल नाउन. सो दे, तो प्लूरल में यस या यस वी डोंट यूज, नो यस और नो यस. सो वी हैव नॉट यूज्ड हियर दे स्टडीज, वी विल यूज दे स्टडी. Plain verb, plain finite verb without using yes or yes, we will use they study for 2 hours. So this was the whole of the things. According practicing by different sentences, you will come to know how to use them. Because I think it is little bit difficult, but you will practice one by one, then you will come to know. And if there is any problem, you can call. You can write on the WhatsApp and call to ask to me. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.